Hey, it's Bryan Chase from HomeSmart Professionals Real Estate. As your listing agent, I just don't list the house, I represent the house. And in doing so, I just don't show up on Saturday morning, open the doors, and conduct an open house. There's a lot of work that goes involved beforehand. For instance, if it's on a Saturday, I'll come the day before, Friday afternoon, when people are getting out of work, and set up signs in the area directing people to the open house for the next day. That's what I bring to the table as your representative. And that entails going to multiple corners, multiple locations, and getting these signs out. So in addition to posting signs in various strategic locations, you also have to have an extensive marketing plan where you're doing social media on several platforms. Check me out on my YouTube channel, Bryan Chase Realty, or go to bryanchaserealty.com.